Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about WooCommerce brand. So basically this is an integrated plugin with WooCommerce, like has been officially released by them. So with the help of this plugin you will be able to add brand to certain products, right? So there is a difference between brand and categories. Let me explain you. Like if you're running a general store WooCommerce website or e-commerce website on WordPress, there will be different type of category like clothing, shoes, glasses, or electronics, right? These are called the categories. But the thing is, under the categories, there will be a lot of products, and each and every product belong to some specific brand. But you cannot like subcategorize them. That will be total mess up thing, right? So to solve this problem, there are certain functionalities or a certain plugin which is called brand. So today we are going to see how we can install this particular plugin on our WordPress website and how we can categorize them, right? So let's move forward. Okay, so this is the plugin. You can always come to the sales page under the Code Canyon website and always look for the whole documentation section here live in front of you and read everything about it. If you don't understand, just call the support or just chat with them. They will explain you everything, or else just watch the full video. I will give you the full tutorial about it, right? So the best part about this plugin is that it has over 2800 sales, which is totally amazing, right? So let me give you a quick tour or the live preview what they are offering for this plugin. Okay, if you click on this live preview button, it will redirect you to the live preview section. Okay, so as you can see, there are multiple clothing apparels, and if you click on any of the clothes, and it will open the product page, and here you can see this is the brand Chanel and Carrot. This is the brand, and on the right hand side you will see there are multiple brands, and there is a filter also that you can select the brand by alphabetical orders, or you can just click here on the button and it will show you all the brands, right? So today we are going to create something similar like this. Okay, coming back to this website. So first of all, the first step is that you have to buy this plugin, obviously, right? So once you have bought this plugin and it is up and running, sitting on your computer, let's move to the second step. It is installing this plugin on our WordPress website. So as you guys know that I personally use my youtube.srmehranclub.com domain for my YouTube tutorial videos, right? And you can see that all the this domain is up and running with a very beautiful looking e-commerce website. And if you want me to give you a full tutorial how you can make a e-commerce website fit with all the free resources out there, like one of the best page builder, Elementor, with the help of best page builder out there, which is Elementor, we will be able to create this amazing looking website, right? So just do let me know in the comment section that if you want a full video about it or not. Okay, moving forward. So you are on the home page of your website. So first of all, we need to log into our dashboard. So how we can do that? You just click on the domain name. Like in my case, it's youtube.srmehranclub.com, and give a slash, then type wp admin, and it will redirect you to the dashboard. So once you are redirected here, this is called the dashboard or the backend of a website, right? So if you're logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress on your hosting account. Cool. So once you are here, on the left hand side you will see a lot of option, but you don't have to worry about any of these. I will explain you, like give you a quick brief what exactly they offer. Under the appearance hood you will find theme, like I'm using Astra in this particular website. Theme, you will be able to customize the theme. Widget option, menu, you can change the header menu, footer menu, anything and all that. There are site template which has been provided by the Astra theme. There are header blocks. These are some extra option which has been provided by the theme. So like these options are totally dependent upon theme to theme. Like okay, under the plugin section you will be able to add new plugin, delete new plugin. So basically plugin helps you to give some extended functionality on your website. Like if you want a form, you need a a plugin, right? Like if you want to create any kind of basic form, there are contact form, there are ninja plugin which will help you to create a contact form or any kind of submission form that will help you out. Like if you want a slider, you need to have a slider plugin up and running in your website. Like there are multiple slider plugin like Smart Slider or Slider Revolution. Moving forward, under the user section, you will be able to create multiple user and assign them different role. Like if you want to assign them admin role, you can have multiple admin on a single website, no issues at all, right? So under the tool section, you will be able to create import tool, export tool, and you can see that with the help of this you will be able to export your personal data and erase your personal data as well. So under the settings section you will be able to create set up your general setting, reading writing setting, discussion setting, or permalink setting. This is one of the important setting. Like you have to set up your permalink, which is basically the structure of the URL, how the URL should look like. Okay, and if you move forward on the top side, you can see here you can post the article, you can create pages, you can monitor all the comments which are coming on your blog section and all that. So basically today we are going to deal with the WooCommerce and product section. So first of all we need to add the particular plugin on our website. Coming to this plugin section, just click on add new, and here we have to upload this plugin. But before uploading I want to tell you that WordPress by default provide you a n number of free plugin out there. So but the thing is there are a lot of difference between free plugin and a paid plugin. Free plugin does not come with a lot of functionality, and their main key feature is always logged inside their own premium plugin, right? So let me explain you. Like everybody knows that Yoast SEO is one of the famous plugin out there for SEO, right? So if you're using this, you also know that to do the SEO of a single page or a single article, you need to add some key phrases, right? So but the thing is, in the free plugin of Yoast SEO there is option of adding only one single key phrase. But the thing is, if you want to add more than one key phrase, you need to buy their premium plugin so that you can add up to 5 key phrase, right? So I generally prefer, if you want to get good results and if you have little bit of money to invest in the very initial stage of your business, I always suggest you to get a good theme, a very premium theme, and a good plugin sets, right? Moving forward, let's upload this particular plugin. So here let's select the file, and I'm sure this is the file. Let's install. Okay, it says already uploaded. Okay, I guess that plugin is already uploaded. I'm sure, as you can see, this plugin is already uploaded. So let's set up the plugin. Okay, coming back to the WooCommerce section, and here just go to settings, and here you can see there is a section called brands. Click here, and here's the default setting which has been provided by that particular plugin. And here you can change everything. Where do you want that particular button to visible, and show extra button, I have selected to none. You can always select to all pages or shop pages. I generally prefer to select it none. Display under the title listing, just copy all the settings which I have showing. You can always select a default image which you want to showcase before the brand name. I will explain you how. Okay, so you have to first of all create some brands before going to any of the product to change the brand name of that particular product. Just create a brand. For this video purposes I have already created some brand. I haven't added the images of the brand. You can always add the images. Like let me create a new brand. Let's name as Puma or anything like that. Cool. You can always add a thumbnail or a logo of that particular brand, but let's skip that for this one. Okay, I have added a Puma brand. Let's go to all product page, and let's edit this one. As you can see I have edited two of them above, but I will try to edit this one. And here on the right hand side you will see there are a brand section. You have to just select which brand this particular product belongs to. I will select, let's select Puma and update it. You can always select multiple brands as well. Like if you click on Dell, it will be always selected. And let's see how it will look. It will look good on the website, I'm pretty sure. Let's visit the product page. As you can see there is a brand named Dell and Puma, and if you click any of them then it will show how many products belong to that particular brand. If you click here Dell, then it will show under the Dell brand it has two products, right? You can always change the layout of that particular thing. Let me show you. If you come here to the settings of WooCommerce and going back to this brand section, and if you want a here button like this so that every brand should visible on all the pages of the website, you can always uncheck this and select all pages. Come down here and save the changes, and here if you refresh this page then there will be a button which will showcase all the brand which are available on your website, right? And if you want to select, you can just select any of this brand and it will redirect you to the brand page where only that specific product is located, right? So I hope you really get my point what I was trying to explain you. If you really like this video, I just want to wrap this video up right now. So I just want to say, if you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.